I looked into the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0, and honestly, it seems like one of the better wireless CarPlay / Android Auto adapters on the market. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The device promises fast boot times, stable connection, and smooth switching between apps. For the most part, it delivers. Pairing is quick, and once connected, the system runs with very little lag. The interface feels snappy and responsive, especially compared to cheaper adapters. The Mini Cube 3.0 also supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a big plus if you switch devices or share your car with someone else. The compact design makes it easy to leave plugged in without cluttering your dashboard. But it's not perfect. Some users report occasional dropouts or slower performance depending on the car model. And while Ottocast is a known brand, their customer support can be hit or miss. It's also pricier than generic adapters, so you're paying extra for convenience and reliability. As for being a scam? No. Ottocast is a legitimate company, and the Mini Cube 3.0 is a real product that generally performs well. Just make sure your car is compatible and be prepared for minor connection hiccups now and then.